147s, not bad at all. Oh, what is this guy? Look at this guy flying around me. Whoa, calm down, dude. And he got a blade of grass. What was that? He had a blade of grass with him. Hey fam, it's your boy Miaris TV, and I am back with another banger of a video. Yes, finally I am back in my gun room. It's been such a long time. You probably thought I didn't have the gun room anymore. It's been so long. And the only reason is simple. There was too much crap in this room. I couldn't stand in here. There was so much stuff on the floor, mags on the floor from range days, bags, this, that, the other. It's been real busy. Finally today, took the time to clean it up, so we're in here now. And from the title, you guys can see that today's video is on some suppressors. Yes, I am putting up my Inkolite 9 up against my Hux Works Floor Range 36 Ti. Just because, guys, just because, right? I want to see how something that costs this little compares to something that costs this much. Now, this is more like a dedicated can, 9mm can. Yes, you can shoot some other calibers. And this right here is like, you know, a dual can, right? You can shoot 5.56, 300 blackout, 308. This is full auto rated, 9mm. So much calibers you can shoot through this guy over here. It's like a dual can. When I first got it, I was running this thing as a dedicated 5.56 can because I got this for my guys' lease. But lately, I've been running this thing with my 9mm, and this thing right here is pretty quiet. So I just want to see how something that I paid 4 Benjamins for can compare to something that normally costs about 9 or 10 Benjamins. But enough yapping, go on ahead and enjoy the video. It's day 2 of me testing out this guy right here. This is the Inkolite 9 suppressor. So we're going to be shooting it out here in the long range. We're also going to be comparing the sound to this guy right here. This is my Hux Works Floor Range 36 Ti. So we're going to see how something that's 4 Benjamin compares to something that's more like 9 or 10 Benjamins. So we're going to see, guys. We're going to see. The world of suppressors is changing, guys. Now everybody's getting in the game, so there's a lot of different suppressors. I'm sure you guys are seeing it. Shoot some 115s unsuppressed first, and then we'll go from there. All right, not too bad. All right, so let's go on ahead and spin the suppressor on first. Can't show you guys this over here, but it's gonna look like I'm doing something naughty, and I promise you I'm not. All right, let's go on ahead and run some 115 through this guy here. Let me change this reticle. There we go. Now we got just a dot because it's like a pyramid reticle. I don't know. They call it maybe like the Predator reticle. Oof. You know how that thing's sounding to you guys. Once I figured out the holds, because this is not zeroed, I was hitting steel and I was hearing it. So let me know, how quiet does that thing sound so far? Let's go on ahead and run some of the super suppressed through it. So the first 2 rounds of this thing is going to be 115s, and then all the rounds after it will be the Winchester super suppressed. Oh, little failure to feed action there. Thing's sounding pretty good. Let me see. I'll take a risk real quick. Oh, just as I took my ears off. Yeah, so it's having issues with these Winchesters now. Oof. Another one. All right, that was that right there. Not too bad, not too bad at all. So we're gonna run some of the AACs through it. That thing shoots so nice, guys. I know this is not the roller delay one, but it's shooting really nice. How does that profile look with that Inkolite? Woo! Ran all those AACs. You guys already know I got the 9S, which is right here. And now I'm on the hunt for the 9M. The 9M is modular, so it basically gives you the best of both worlds. It's longer, you can remove that module, you'll have a shorter suppressor, and the end cap is already built in. Almost dropped this thing. Y'all saw how quick I moved?
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
But we got that Inkolite 9 removed. Let's get some unsuppressed shots with this thing before we put that Hux Works Floor Range 36 Ti on. And of course, 115s. All right. Should be enough. Let's go ahead and get the last one up there. Okay. All right. Got that bad boy on there. Get the rest of these 115s through it. Not too bad, and I don't think I'm getting too much gas. I'm not feeling a lot of gas in my face, but you know, when I'm editing it, I'll see. But as far as the way it's shooting, not bad at all. And man, when that Hux Works Floor Range Ti heats up, man, it just has a different smell. Let's go on ahead and see how it will do with the Winchester Super Suppress. Of course, the first two are that 115, and then everything after that is the Winchester Super Suppressed. Now, I'm gonna pull my ears back here a little bit just to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, big difference. The 115s in here in this covered area, they have a little bit of a piercing effect on the ears, but as soon as it hits those super suppress 147s, not bad at all. Oh, what is this guy? Look at this guy flying around me. Whoa, calm down, dude. And he got a blade of grass. What was that? He had a blade of grass with him. Woo. How does the Inkolite 9 compare to the much more pricey Hux Works Floor Range 36 Ti? Let me know down in the comments. But nonetheless, we do have a mag in here with the AACs 147. Of course, the first two rounds are the 115s from Monarch. Let's see. This handrail is getting hot. It's cooking. And that was on the last round right there. And that's the video right there. Let me know down in the comments, which one are you picking? Are you picking the Hux Works, or are you picking that BOE suppression Inkolite 9? Me? Even though I own them both, right? So obviously I picked them both. But if I had to choose one had to go. For the money, this Inkolite 9 is hard to beat. I don't know what wizardry they're doing over there at BOE Suppressions, but it's working. Whatever it is, y'all keep doing it, because I got the 9S first. Blew me away, so much so that I went and got the 9. And this thing right here just impressed me even more that now I got to get the 9M. But you know, look at the difference in size here. Now the Hux might be just a tiny bit quieter, right? But for me, the price I paid for this guy over here, I will pay it and I will buy it 10 out of 10 times. It's just really nice. If you guys are looking for something for a PCC, right, a sub gun or something like that, a little 9mm PCC, this right here is just going to do it for you guys. It's going to do it for you. With that being said right there, somebody in another video posted that, you know, I was a hype beast and this, that, the other. How can I do a suppressor video and not have a decibel reader? I don't know what kind of operation this guy must think I'm running over here, okay? Ain't no professional operation over here. Like I said, you know, I'm just having a good time out here, guys. I'm just buying things that make me happy, and I'm going to the range and recording videos for you guys to watch and enjoy. That's it. That's it right there. But with that being said, guys, if you're not subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Just boop, hit subscribe and turn on your post notifications, because your boy is dropping 3 bangers a week. But that is the video. As always, I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace. Peace.